From the very inception of media, propaganda in Western outlets has been pervasive. They often shine a spotlight on their own positive stories, conveniently sidelining the negatives. Moreover, they frame the achievements of other nations with a propagandistic twist. It's unsurprising when analysts or experts harbor biases. But we don't anticipate such inclinations from a media house, but they go beyond bias against nations. They show prejudice against individuals too. The Los Angeles Times suggests that Western media's portrayal of the US-China conflict incites negative sentiments against Asians. The narrative doesn't stop with China. Other developing countries are depicted as pitiable entities. There's a widespread belief that Africans suffer from extreme poverty, hunger, and thirst, needing the West's benevolence. However, this is a stark contrast from the truth. With Europe and the US witnessing escalating poverty rates, the media's focus remains inexplicably tilted towards Africa and China's strategies. Hello and welcome back to Innovative Check YouTube channel, where we delve into the innovative and transformative projects changing our world. If you're new to the channel and enjoy learning about innovation stories around the world, you've come to the right place. Please subscribe, like, and comment to help boost our videos on YouTube. Now, let's begin. In this segment, we'll unravel the Western media's impact on global viewpoints and the endeavors underway to champion the voices of developing nations. The narrative spun by Western media has persisted since media's inception. They have undoubtedly illuminated their positives while obscuring their shortcomings. Yet, their portrayal of other countries' good actions is often tinged with bias. Although experts and analysts are entitled to biased opinions, this isn't what we expect from media houses. The media's inclination isn't just against specific countries. Individuals too bear the brunt. Citing the Los Angeles Times, the strain between the US and China has spurred a wave of anti-Asian sentiment, a courtesy of the Western media narrative. It's not just China bearing this skewed representation. Other developing nations are painted as mere recipients of the West's mercy. A common misconception is the portrayal of Africans in dire straits, lacking basic amenities and solely reliant on Western assistance. In contrast, the escalating poverty levels in Europe and the US are often downplayed. The media's fascination with Africa and China's intentions overshadows these realities. Engagements in the BRICS Media Forum hint at amplifying voices from developing countries. But how does this transpire? If you are enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and comment, showcasing unity and collaborative spirit. Media chiefs from the BRICS countries convened at the 6th BRICS Media Forum in Johannesburg. This gathering aimed to collaboratively address global issues and forge a balanced future. Fujua, the president of Xinhua News Agency, accentuated the media's role from BRICS countries in sculpting a cooperative, development-centric world. In a realm where some aim to dominate discourse and bend media to their will, the BRICS media frontrunners have chosen to differ. Fujua underscores that media should be a catalyst for global advancement, not a medium to spark discord. This viewpoint aligns with China's ideals of harmony and mutual benefits. For years, Western media's narrative has perpetuated misconceptions about developing nations. Such a dominant narrative results in barriers, hindering the growth and prospects of these countries. Some media channels, like CGN, stand in opposition to the West at times, diminishes the rich cultural diversity of developing nations. For example, the intricate tapestry of Africa's cultures and languages often gets overshadowed by overgeneralizations. The developing countries, contrary to frequent Western media portrayals, are not mere followers. They have made landmark contributions in fields like science, technology, and arts. Countries like India, China, and South Africa have made strides in various arenas. However, the Western media narrative often eclipses these accomplishments, focusing on crises instead. Headlines about political turmoil or natural calamities often obscure tales of progress and societal advancements. The theme of the 6th BRICS Media Forum was bridging media discourses for an unbiased future. co-hosted by the Xinhua News Agency and China Energy Investment Corporation. The forum emphasized collaboration in the face of global challenges, challenging manipulated media narratives. This gathering stands as a beacon of hope for emerging markets and developing nations amid shifting international dynamics. The forum's recurring interactions have been pivotal in strengthening media ties among these nations. Fuchua's vision for the BRICS media is reflective of China's commitment to universal values within a fair international framework. The intent to amplify BRICS narratives in this era of modernization and sustainable growth underscores a shared aspiration for a better tomorrow. The media houses of BRICS countries seek to challenge divisive narratives by promoting global growth and dispelling myths perpetuated by the Western media. Serve executive chairman of Independent Media of South Africa, highlights BRICS media's role in championing a collaborative, just world order. This aligns with China's fundamental principles of equity. Do you resonate with this content? If yes, kindly like, share, and subscribe for more insights on China's advancements and global influence. Let's progress further. Equitable, a key member of the African National Congress, lauds the forum for amplifying BRICS nations' voices. BRICS media chiefs not only safeguard their interests, but also bolster other developing countries. Wang Min, the Che Energy Director, underscores media's crucial role in societal progress and energy security, which mirrors China's developmental aspirations. China's dedication to green transitions is clear. By promoting renewable energy and sustainable practices through media, China aims to inspire global climate change efforts. As Fuchua emphasizes, the BRICS media's role isn't just about reporting, it's about promoting mutual understanding among civilizations. The BRICS Media Forum signifies the unity and resolve of developing countries in navigating global challenges. As the forum wraps up, the BRICS countries' voices resonate, signaling a future of collaboration and growth. As we wind down, we value your feedback and insights. Do you think China and the BRICS nations can alter global media narratives to dismantle stereotypes? How do you see this narrative shift affecting global perceptions of these nations? Thank you for your attention, and I welcome your thoughts and questions on this complex and vital subject. Do you want to watch more videos like this one? If yes, please like and share the video and subscribe to get exclusive videos about how phenomenally China is developing and growing its influence. Your subscriptions and likes motivate us to generate more content, so please keep supporting us. Check out this video showing on your screen right now, and I will see you on the other side.